A lot of learnings from Lilian Ong. Okay. So, I'll also share about Ronnie. No? Ronnie Soprahogi. Okay. He's actually a 6-year Team Elite, 3 years Team Elite Platinum, and $1 million Circle member. And 2-star creator. Ronnie is actually highly educated. Okay? And I think Ronnie is one of the biggest leader in Indonesia. It's like a Sandy Martinez in Indonesia. Okay? All the formula. Okay? Sabi niya, before daw, turo sa kanya ng parents, good education is equivalent to good job, is equivalent to good life. Okay? However, nakita niya yung new skin. Ganon din ba kayo? Okay? However, nakita ko yung new skin. So, be in between inspiration and desperation zone. Tap the person beside you. Okay? Tell that person, be inspired, but be desperate. In that zone. Hindi pwedeng inspired ka lang. Okay? You have to be desperately inspired. So in that zone, you have to desperately want to become successful. Bakit? Kasi yung kaniyang yung topic niya is about taking action. It's all about urgency. So what do I mean urgency? Yung Star Creator Trip created a lot of urgencies. The biggest, one of the biggest number of executives we created in the whole country is actually last August. Why? Kasi it's actually the last month for the Star Creator Trip. However, the company gave us the chance, to, alam nyo ba, di ba, in-announce na, that if you become a Ruby executive by September, who are qualifying Ruby executives, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay? Qualifying naman, di ko naman sinabing Ruby. Qualifying, can you please raise your hand? Come on, raise your hand. Raise your hand, lahat. Di ba? Pinilit ko na tuloy kayo, okay? Qualifying. All qualifying Ruby executives. Okay? You can still qualify this month. Okay? And right now, nasa desperation mode ka na. Because you only have 11 days, okay, to come up with 4 new executives in your organization. If you're a lapis, 3-legged, 1 more. If you're a gold, okay, 3 more. If 2 lapis, you need more. Or if you're right now a ruby, have more for you to solidify your Star Creator Trip. Make sense? Am I making sense? Okay. Desperation and inspiration. Yes, you want to become part of the Star Creator Trip, but you have to be desperate enough. Kasi kung wala ka dun sa zone na yon, believe me, lalagpas yung September, okay lang na meron, okay lang na wala. If you're that type of person, believe me, kahit anong Star Creator Trip, kahit pa sa ano pa yan, kahit nasa palasyo pa ng Queen ka pumunta, para mas makasama mo sa dinner, hindi ka pa rin makakapunta doon because you don't have urgency. Agree or agree? So, you have to be inspired, and desperate. Low probability. Sinabi rin niya ni Ronnie. Sabi niya, take more action. You'll find more leaders in the business. That's simple. Okay? Don't argue to anyone. Just have the numbers. You will find more leaders if you have numbers. Agree or agree?
Agree.
You just have to do the fundamentals. Gusto ko yung sinabi niya, don't argue to anyone. Can you touch the person beside you and tell that person, don't argue to anyone? We are here to share the blessings of our products and business. To have financial freedom, to have more time for our family. Hindi tayo nandito to force people. Just have the numbers. Because if you have the numbers, those no, hindi mo na hindi mo na sila mapapansin. Hayaan mo lang lahat na nag-no sa'yo. Because in God's perfect time, they will say yes to the opportunity. Hindi pa lang ready ngayon yan. I have a partner. Tagal na. Sinabi ko sa kanya, ikaw yung pang 15th ko sa business. Nagkatotoo, this month, new executive ko siya, pang 15th ko siya. Yeah. Sabi ko, nag-prophesize ako. No? Sinabi ko sa kanya, bro, pang 15th kita. Sabi ko sa kanya, nagkatotoo naman. But because I have numbers, hindi ko siya hinintay. Nagkataon lang. Because if you have the numbers, you will have more probability of becoming successful. Agree or agree?
Agree.
Okay. So, huwag mo nang hintayin, sabihin mo, oy, apply ko kasi ganito. No. Ask yourself, yung numbers mo. Okay? Do the fundamentals more often. Okay? You'll find the right people. And you will learn along the way and you become a better person. Yes? Okay. Ito yung sinabi niya. Hindi ko lang if I actually got this right. Pero ilang beses siyang inulit-ulit to dun sa Star Academy. All you can do is what you can do. Tama ba? Tama ba yung sinabi niya? Kasi dalawa yung nakalagay dito. All you can do is all you can do. Or all you can do is what you can do. So ano yung understanding ko doon? You can do what's humanly possible and you can live with your results. Ang problema is you don't give your best. Okay? Tapos, at the end of the day, say mo na lang, okay lang na meron, okay lang na wala. I can live with the results for as long as alam ko na ginawa ko what's humanly possible. Okay? Last youth span, sabi ko, talaga, ito yung time na sobrang na-stretch talaga ako. Sobrang stretch. I'm not only thinking about myself, I'm actually thinking about my partners. Okay? May mga times na, yung nagpe-present ka, nahihilo ka na, tapos nagdidilim na yung paningin mo. Of course, hindi mo siya pwedeng, kala ko ba healthy ka? Tapos biglang baka mag-collapse. Kinakabahan ako one time, kasi baka mag-collapse ako during presentation. Kasi nagdidilim na yung paningin mo. Those are things na naisip ko, you have to do all you can do. And I think God will take care of the rest. Agree or agree? I actually talked to a partner. Wala siyang ka-close. And I'm so happy. Sabi ko sa kanya, ba't ka happy? Because for as long as you do your best, I don't care about your result. What I care about is you grow as a person. Nagkaroon ka ng breakthrough. Yun ang sabi ko sa kanya. And deep inside my heart, I'm so happy. Wala siyang result. Kahit lang sabi ko, good news. Meron pa tayong youth span. Sabi ko sa kanya, okay, next year. Sabi ko sa kanya, next year. Pero yung next round natin, okay, you'll be better. Okay? All you can do is what you can do. You become the better version of yourself. Sabi ni Ronnie, just be the best version of yourself. No need to be a superstar. No need. What's important is the person you become if you stretch yourself. Sabi niya, small improvements takes care of the long-term results. Just take action. Just take action. And then, maganda yung sinabi ni Ronnie. Okay. Sabi niya, we have to do this together. We have to do this together. Ilang beses siyang pinaulit-ulit yun. We have to do this together. If you want to do this business, you have to work with the team. So can you, not hug, pero touch or touch? Not tap the person, pero hawakan mo na lang yung kamay ng katabi mo. Tapos, ng mahigpit, okay, type, and tell that, and then all together, let's say, let's do this together. Let's do this together. Guys, sa lahat pa na hindi nakahawak, can you hold each other's hands? Yes. Okay. And, okay, let's do this together. 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 Are you excited? Yes. My personal goal, this is my goal. You can have your own goal. My personal goal is to have 100 new stars in Macau 2016. And for me, those 100 stars will represent 100 families. And of course, a lot of families change in our business. And lahat naman ng malaki nagsimula ng maliit. Actually, yan din yung goal ko last year. Pero sige, hindi ko siya nakuha. Sige, meron na akong X number of rubies right now. Okay? So, konting duplication na lang, okay, and multiplication, then we'll reach 100 stars. And for me, yun yung goal ko for Macau. Okay. For people who still fighting for the Star Creator trip, in the next 11 days, stretch. Okay, stretch. Fight for your Star Creator trip. If you promise your kids, kasama kita sa Europe, fight for it. Okay? Can you do that? So then, don't let your dreams be just dreams. Okay? So, that's my part. I hope you learned something today. So, I'll bring you back to our host. Thank you.
Louder, please. Thank you, Mr. Erwin Agustin. Okay, thank you. Announcement. You might want to take notes. We will have our regular BDD and BDA next week. Then, we won't have our Success Forum on September 26. Instead, we will have it on October 24.